To news from the agriculture sector now, Jamaican fishermen are getting a temporary lifeline after the impact of Hurricane Melissa, which left many in the industry facing heavy losses. Antonia Atkinson has details.
Rough seas and damaged equipment disrupted work across several coastal communities, with some fishers unable to earn for days. Hurricane Melissa made conditions worse, adding pressure on those who rely on daily catches to make a living. Now, in response, the Agriculture Ministry has made changes to the lobster close season rules. Speaking with TVJ News, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green provided these updates.
We have made changes to our lobster regulations through the National Fisheries Authority to allow our fishers to sell lobster through the entire close season. You are not able to fish lobster, but once you have fished lobster from the open season and you declare that you have it in storage and our team visits and verifies, then you will be able to trade.
These persons must submit written or electronic declarations to the National Fisheries Authority by April 8.
Persons will have to declare by the 8th of April that they have lobster, and then our team will have to verify, and then there's documentation that if you are looking to trade in lobster during the close season, you will have to follow the prescribed documentation. So we are asking our restaurateurs, our hoteliers, our fishermen to declare and to follow the procedure if you are looking to consume lobster during the close season.
The ministry also said that the NFA must be informed of any sales during the close season. These changes are meant to help fishers recover some losses while still protecting Jamaica's fragile lobster industry. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.